All right, welcome to today's class. In today's class, we are going to be dealing on sequence and series. What is a sequence? A sequence is the presentation of numbers or terms in an orderly manner, either ascending or descending manner. Now let's take an example. We have 3, 5, 7, 9, and it continues. You can see that 5 is greater than 3, 7 is greater than 5, and then 9 is greater than what? 7. So this is an ascending manner. It is arranged in an ascending manner. And you can also see that the terms are separated by commas. It is separated by comma. Let's take the second example here. We have 5, 10, 15, and what? 20. It is in an ascending manner because 10 is greater than 5, 15 is greater than 10, and then 20 is also greater than 15. And you will also notice that the terms are separated by comma for sequence. All right, let's look at the types of sequence. Number 1 here, we have finite sequence. What is a finite sequence? A finite sequence is an ordered list of terms or numbers that has a definite beginning and a definite end. All right, so let's take an example under finite sequence. We have the pages of a book, the pages of a textbook. If you see a textbook or if you have a textbook, kindly open the textbook. You will see that the textbook has an end. It has a beginning and it has an end. And the pages of that textbook are numbered. Some textbook, you will see that there are 250 pages, some 500 pages, depending on the kind of textbook you have. So that tells you that the pages has an end. So it is a definite sequence because, so it is a finite sequence rather, because a finite sequence is an ordered list of terms or numbers. You can see that the pages are numbered in an orderly form and it has a beginning and also has an end. So that's what makes it a finite sequence. All right, so let's consider the next one. We have the infinite sequence. Infinite sequence. An infinite sequence is an ordered list of terms or numbers that has no end and usually follows a specific pattern. So you can see that an infinite sequence has no end, but it is ordered but it has an ordered list of terms or numbers. All right, so let's take an example. We have 1, 3, 5, and 7. These dots at the end here tells us that it continues. So we do not know the end of this particular sequence. So since we have the presence of this dot here, it tells us that it is an infinite sequence. So whenever you see a sequence with 3 dots or more at the end, that should tell you that it is an infinite sequence. All right, so let's look at series. What is a series, or what are series? This is the addition of terms or numbers of a particular sequence. A series is the addition of terms or numbers of a particular sequence. Now remember that sequence are separated by comma. Let's look at it again. This is sequence. Sequence are separated by comma. So when you eliminate this comma and put addition sign in between, it becomes a series. So series is the addition of terms of a particular sequence. Alright, so we have come to the end of this particular class. If you enjoyed this class, kindly subscribe to this channel. Ensure you like this video and share it to your friends. If you have a question, endeavor to leave your question in the comment section of this video. And if you enjoyed this video, ensure you write "I enjoyed this video" in the comment section. Please write "I enjoyed this video" in the comment section. See you in our next class. Our next class is arithmetic progression. So check our playlist and you would see arithmetic progression. Thank you.